Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Gonna go in here today with this launch X431 Pro 3S Plus, and we are going to program a key. We're gonna program this key right here. It's one of these generic keys that you can go and get off of Amazon. And we're gonna get in here. It is a Pontiac Vibe, or honestly, it's a Matrix, Toyota Matrix, but it comes up as either or. For this video, we're going to do it under the Matrix just because I'm more familiar with Toyota Diag than I am with Pontiac Diag. When was the last time you saw a Pontiac on the road, huh? This one's in good shape, too. Okay, so I have the only existing key that is original. Hopefully you can see the Pontiac emblem there. Customer lost the other key for it, and they have purchased two keys for it. I'm going to go ahead and program those for them right now. And we're going to go into service functions. And this is going to get us into key programming or wireless programming for this model. And so I'll run you through how easy it is to do this, but it is not a difficult task, not a difficult task at all. I will have to shut the car off here in a second, so give me a second. Once this gets into the system, I'll put it into the right frame of mind. But, you know, you can pay me a good amount of money to do this for you. Or you can purchase a tool like this and have it for the rest of your life and be able to do that kind of work for yourself. And I think that's pretty smart. Okay, I'm going to shut the car off. I'm going to key on, engine off at this point. We're going to go into immobilizer/key programming, and we're going to go to wireless code registration. This function to register a new wireless code, and the function is added to recognize codes already here, right? So here we go. And it's saying ignition on, wait at least 30 seconds. Driver's side door is open. All other doors are closed. So I've opened up the door here. Driver's side door is unlocked. Registration will fail if anything else doesn't happen the way it's supposed to be. So it does have the ability for me to enter one more key. And we're going to hit OK. And it says you have 30 seconds to perform the following. Press the lock and unlock. I'm going to have to do this in my lap simultaneously for 1 second. Within 3 seconds, either press lock or unlock for 1 second. And here it goes. 1001. And there we go. It's completed. Now let's see if it worked. In order to check to see if it worked, I'm going to take this key out, right? And and you can see. And now we'll try our new key. And we're good to go. So check it out. That's how easy it is to program new keys for your Matrix or Vibe. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's the launch X431 Pro 3S Plus, and it is their top of the line, or I think it is their top of the line. I bought this, it's been about 2.5, 3 years ago. Love this tool. Love this tool. Got to get it updated again. It actually is telling me earlier today that it's expired. But if you're interested in a tool like this, the good news is it will continue to operate without the software active. It just won't download new updates. Till next time, my friends, take care.